What's up guys, welcome back to the channel Tank Top Tech. Today we're doing a special video. We're going to be doing an unboxing of a product that touches everyone from videography, cinematography, photography, to just tech reviews and just anybody in the YouTube community using their DSLR for exactly what we're doing today. Now this product, what the hell? What? Low battery? I just charged this thing all night. What's going on? What? All right, guys, we're back. As you can see in our last clip there, the DSLR battery just died, even though I was pretty sure I charged it. But hey, you know, that's pretty much how it is. So we've all probably been in that type of situation. That's why today we're going to do an unboxing and introduce you to the Glorich or Glorich. I'm not sure how you guys pronounce that. But Glorich ACK-E18, which is pretty much a AC adapter dummy battery for your DSLR that uses an E18 type battery. Now, this means that it's compatible with only a certain type of cameras. It's compatible with the Canon EOS Rebel series, the T6i, the SL2, the T6S, the T7i, and the 77D. So no, it will not work with the ever so popular 80D. That's a whole different product with a whole different adapter. Let's get the box open and see what we have here. Okay, so let's just move this aside here for a second. So it looks like we've got some instructions here. Someone just pretty much printed this out on their home printer. Yeah, it just gives you a little bit of an explanation. Maybe we'll go through that when we actually pop this into the DSLR. So we'll set that aside. Let's bring the box over here. So it looks like we've got a standard AC cord here. It's a 1.5 meter cord. Okay, just your standard adapter cord here. Okay. So we've got the ACE6 AC adapter here, which is going to be converting the power. Has a power output, I believe, of DC 8 volts, 3 amps, 24 watts. Okay, pretty standard connection here and on that side. And here we have the actual dummy battery. So as you can see, it is the same style and shape of the E18 battery that fits into your DSLR. And this is the connector that will plug into the adapter cord. So yeah, there's quite a bit of, it's going to add a lot of stuff to your DSLR system, but I mean, if you're shooting in your studio or whatnot, I mean, well, it shouldn't really matter. This is not really something for people on the go or vlogging necessarily, because you're going to need a power output. So we'll set that aside. And let's just pop open the battery for comparison from our Canon SL2. So size-wise, they're identical. As you can see, the only difference is that this one has a cable coming out of it. And the guarantee from Glorich is that when this pops into your DSLR, there'll be no error codes, because they've coded it so that the battery will accept it as a genuine Canon battery. Hopefully that's true. We're gonna plug it in and find out. So just to go back to everything here, and basically this kit allows you to power your compatible Canon camera from an AC outlet. It's useful for lengthy studio shots, streaming, video recording, without the need to continuously replace and recharge multiple batteries. So we see what the kit comes with. I mentioned what type of cameras it's compatible with, and if you own a capture card or any other similar product like the Elgato cam link, you can now run your camera for the entire length of your live stream without worrying about battery power. I can't possibly imagine your cam dying on you during the live stream. Not only will you lose your video image, but you'll stop your game and replace the battery. This might result in losing your audience. So yeah, I mean, it's a useful product. Let's see if it fits in and powers up the camera. Okay, so we've got our DSLR now. We're just gonna set that over here. We've got the battery out, we've got everything plugged in, we've got a little green LED indicator light on the actual adapter saying that, I guess it's getting power from the wall. And depending on all your cameras, they're all gonna be different, but you're probably wondering, how the hell are you gonna close that door when there's a cable sticking out of it? Well, great question. So when we open the battery door, there's actually a little rubber grommet here on the side, if you can see. And by pulling that just aside, you're gonna leave enough room for that cable to safely stick out. So we're gonna pop this in. Hopefully nothing will explode or catch on fire. Yeah. All right, this is hard to do with this angle. Okay, so we've got the rubber grommet open and the door is fully closed and sealed. So let's see if everything turns on now. All right, it's a good sign. Okay, so we're in video mode. The battery indicator here on the top left-hand corner is showing at full. As you can see, we didn't get any errors, any prompting messages. I know there's some videos out there that might be some other products there that are not coded to be an original Canon sort of coding. That's why it only works with these compatible cameras. It might work with another camera that uses E18 battery system, but you might get a message saying that what you're using is not a genuine Canon battery. Please click yes. So I don't know what that does actually, if that saves any information or, you know, for warranty purposes or anything like that. So pretty much that's what it is in a nutshell. Very simple product. I'm gonna use it for the long term. I'm gonna try not to use the battery when I'm indoors. And let's see what the long term will be. If there's any overheating, if there's any other issues that pop up, I'll do another video, or I'll come back and I'll post a sticky comment and I'll tell you guys how it works. But so far, as you can see, everything's working fine. We didn't get any messages. We're switching back and forth. And the battery cable, or sorry, the AC adapter cable is sticking out from the hole. The door is fully closed and seated. There's no problems there. And yeah, let's see how this performs in the long run. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and sort of tutorial of the Glorich ACK-E18 power adapter for your Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera. Please like this video and consider subscribing for more tech reviews and tech related content. This is Tank Top Tech, and we'll see you in the next video.